Hi. Now, while it certainly is a challenge to find the best tools that are worthy of your hard-earned money, it isn't impossible, especially when you have a reliable source like our channel to point you in the direction of the brands you can trust. In preparing this list, we reviewed literally dozens of products, basing our ranking on a number of factors, including the features of the product, value for money, and the reputation of the manufacturer. We even read countless reviews from actual users. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you buy one of the best tools available today. Make sure to check the products links below in the description. Let's get started.
Life isn't a popularity contest. It's not an act, and it's certainly not fair. It's not a fad, it's not a fashion statement, and it's not about pretending to have all the answers or claiming to be real. Life is blood and guts and sweat. It's hard work, true heart, pure grit. And it's time someone set the record straight. Introducing Center Drive from Gerber. With a first-of-its-kind full-size driver on the center axis that uses standard bits. A full-size outboard knife that's 30% longer than the competition with reverse thumb support. Plus, spring-loaded pliers. And they're all accessible with a flick of your thumb. The Multitool just got a reality check.